Hey everyone, welcome back to the place we are testing every single mask on Amazon. Sorry to say, but masks are over. I don't know if you heard. And we're going to test the masks. What, did the CDC make these? Ayo. If you get that joke, well, sorry. Sorry for your life. All right, these are the MASKOVER KF94 masks. They are nicely sealed in a box that looks a lot like regular masks. Yeah, I'm getting in this one. Oh, not only is this a soft touch box, but look at that. Oh, they paid extra. This is the Apple treatment here for the extra shiny gloss. Look at this. Oh my gosh, what is happening right now? I'm sweating. Okay. I knew it. These are not KF94s. This is the first fake KF94 that I've seen. Promise. Now, I have not read the KF94 standard, so I don't know exactly what is required, but I do know that literally every KF94, and I'm just reaching into the nearest garbage can of the mask that we have tested, they look like this. It's like this flat mat. They all look like this, and they've got this, what some marketers would call it 3D design for some reason. It opens up nicely fitting around the face. It's the ninja look, right? Ninja doctor. This is just a regular mask. That's all it is. This is just what we would call in the United States like a 3-ply mask. But before I call it a 3-ply, let's see if it is. So they've got an outer layer of spun bond. They've got a secondary layer of spun bond, and then they've got one layer of melt blown. So a KF94 has usually 2 layers of melt blown because it's an actual respirator. This is not the standard format. They're trying to make fetch happen here is what they're doing. They're taking a standard 3-ply surgical mask, and then they're doing this weird indentation and doing a different fold and trying to pretend like it's a KF94. Now, I don't know the standard. If you have the standard, send it to me. I want to read it. It could be that like it's not super specific about what it needs to look like. And no, that's not better. It's not better. It's not better. MASKOVER? Yeah, you named that right. You're over. Gosh. All right, let's put this in the test. We're going to test it anyways. And I'm going to use the respirator test. That's right, MASKOVER. What is this brand name anyway? Like, what is it? What are they trying to say? The lies. They get to me. All right, this is a PFE machine. Particulate filtration efficiency machine. I'm doing the N95 test here, which is not what I would do on a surgical mask typically. It's a slightly different test. We use the ASTM test for that. We can use the same machine, but it takes a minute to reset it. This is a more aggressive test, but they're the ones that are calling themselves a KF95, so, or 4, whatever. So this looks to be just like a standard 3-ply mask that they're marketing as a KF94. I'm pretty sure that's not the standard. That's not bad, actually. Am I missing something? Smell test? Smell test. Smells like I hate this mask. It doesn't smell good. Doesn't smell great. 99%. Pretty good mask. Breathability, horrible. You can't breathe in that. Final result, 99.746. Fine, you passed that test. MASKOVER. You know what? This video's over. I'm out. I'm fucking out. Garbage. MASKOVER!